Innovation and design thinking workshop. Innovative ideas. Myself, preparing for ideas. Startup company Cypher, product present name, Lens Optics, proposed name, spec. Empathizing. Wishing some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Thanks power variable spec according to doctor's prescription along with the UV protection and color customization customizable. Spec that show correct color for the color brightness and affordable. Defined. Based on empathizing stage, considering the feelings and requirement of customers, many new features are added to the extension. Existing product. Existing product name Exotic. Futuristic product name Nexa. Ideal. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Eye tracking, motion sensor can connect to multiple devices at the same time, and camera recording. Prototype. This in prototype stage, real working model can be manufactured due to the time constraint. The vendor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Texting. I requesting the viewer of this present video to comment your opinion to certify the testing stage. Thank you.